You can boost your skin glow, reduce wrinkles, and strengthen your hair using a homemade collagen powder from just three simple kitchen ingredients. It's easy to make and full of benefits for our skin. Collagen is the most important protein in your body. It keeps your skin tight, your joints strong, and your hair healthy. But after the age of 25, your body starts losing collagen naturally. That's when wrinkles, dull skin, and weak hair begin to appear. But don't worry, today I'll show you a simple, powerful, and completely natural way to make collagen boosting powder at home. We only need three ingredients and the best part all in equal quantity: pumpkin seeds, almonds, sunflower seeds. Take 1 cup of each ingredient, that's it. Simple and balanced. Now let's make it step by step. First, take a pan and dry roast all three ingredients separately on low flame. Roast them for 3 to 5 minutes until they become slightly crunchy. Don't burn them. Let them cool completely. Now add all the roasted ingredients into a grinder. Grind them into a fine powder. That's it, your homemade collagen powder is ready. Store it in an airtight container. You can keep it for up to 2-3 weeks easily. Now, the most important question: how to use it? Take 1 tablespoon of this powder daily. You can consume it in a different ways. Mix it in a glass of warm milk. Add it to smoothies or shakes. Sprinkle it over oatmeal or yogurt, or simply eat with a spoon and drink water. For best results, take it in the morning on an empty stomach, or you can also take it at night before sleeping. Use it daily for at least 4 to 6 weeks to see visible results. Let's quickly understand why these three ingredients are so powerful. Pumpkin seeds. These tiny seeds are packed with zinc, which plays a major role in collagen production. Zinc helps repair skin and slows down aging signs. Almonds. Almonds are rich in vitamin E, which protects your skin from damage and keeps it smooth and glowing. They also help maintain skin elasticity. Sunflower seeds. These are full of healthy fats and antioxidants. They support skin hydration and prevent dryness, making your skin look fresh and youthful. When combined, these three ingredients create a powerful natural collagen booster. Here is what happens when you start using this regularly. Your skin becomes more glowing and youthful. Fine lines and wrinkles start reducing. Hair becomes stronger and shinier. Nails grow faster and healthier. Your joints feel stronger and less painful. And the best part, it's completely natural and chemical free. Don't expect overnight magic. Natural remedies take time, but they give long lasting results. Also, drink plenty of water and maintain a healthy diet. Collagen works best when your body is well hydrated. This powder may help improve skin elasticity, keep the skin hydrated, and give a healthy, glowing appearance. Would you try this collagen powder? Tell me in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple health tips. See you in the next video.